If you're experiencing cloud save errors in FIFA 24, particularly error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or their social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they're back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming console or PC completely and then turn it back on. This can help refresh your connection and resolve temporary glitches that might be causing the error. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, clear the cache by holding the power button until the system shuts down, then unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game settings and selecting the option to clear cache or temporary files. Step 4. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can test this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Relink EA account. Log out of your EA account and then log back in. This can refresh your account connection and may resolve any syncing issues with your cloud saves. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error in FIFA 24. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.